Hey everyone!
Sup, dude?
That's her new thing. Oh, speaking of what's up, we should go invite your Gabi friend, huh?
That's inviting everything. Processing.
Well, we have to invite Gabi because she will be
Processing.
sad if she doesn't get to see you.
What?
Okay. Hello. Happy. What day is it?
I don't know!
I didn't even prep her on this. Friday. Happy Friday. Whew. Hi, Brittany. So Ariel will wave and say hi to anyone who says hi. She will be reading.
Hi. Hey!
Ariel reads the comments in response to the comments while I do a lot of talking. Okay. So when I first got married a few years ago in Oregon, say hi. Ariel will respond to any comments. So one of the foods that I had never had before was a Crab Louie. Put your hand up if you've ever had a Crab Louie. Let us know if you've ever tried it before. So on the Oregon coast. So every time a name pops up, Ariel waves. You can say their names and say hi.
Hello, Janet Brown. I don't know how to.
You can say their first name.
Hashi. No, I'm saying no.
I know.
Uda, Hashi, and Judah.
Jody?
Jody. I'm not good with names.
So on the Oregon coast, fresh crab is amazing. Anyone? Yes. No one on the East Coast knows about a Crab Louie. Well,
I don't know what it is either.
We do not have fresh, amazing crab. But what I do have is some really good canned crab, actually. And I got this. I'll let you try in a minute. She's really excited about trying this. I got this, actually, from my Imperfect food box that I ordered. It's a grocery subscription. It's mostly produce. Brittany's on the East Coast, and she doesn't know.
Come on, high five, Brittany.
Twins. So the Imperfect Foods, I can send you a discount code if you want to try it yourself. I've really liked it. So
hello, Daddy.
Diane.
It's just like so close to you, so I don't know.
Diane. So I got this. It was kind of expensive, but it was actually a good price for that. So Ariel, here, I'll give you some of this really nice leg piece. You want to try some of this? She loves seafood. It's a little fishy. It's not as good as fresh crab. But and it tastes good in a salad. It tastes like
lobster.
So I'm kind of throwing together a recipe based on what I have. And you normally would be putting cheese on this. And I'm not putting cheese because we don't do cheese. Right? No cheese.
I have to wave a lot because of Brittany Owens.
Brittany Owens is making you wave. So we have our lettuce. Ta-da. Nice fresh lettuce. So this is a very Ariel recipe.
Look at Jody.
She's responding. Yep, she just said lettuce. Yep.
And then we just showed it.
And then we have some soft-boiled eggs. So they're a little bit, they're not hard.
She tried to make them pink with beet sauce, then it turned real brown. Ooh, Hammer. Hello, people. Leah.
So what she's saying,
and Amber.
See this? I tried cooking this egg in beet juice, like beet water that I had done for beet juice, and it turned brown instead of pink. Boo.
Hello, Amber and Leah. What?
Good job. So we have this soft-boiled egg.
And Dad is home.
Dad is home. We're doing a video.
Of Crab Louie.
Live?
Yep, we're live.
We're live.
There's the money maker.
There's a cool guy right in this suit.
Okay, so we have that, and then I put on a little avocado. Do you want avocado on yours?
I don't know.
We'll put a couple bites of avocado.
High five again.
And then you put on some of your crab.
Wait.
So it's almost like tuna fish, except it's crab.
I know, it looks like tuna fish. I was like, are you going to put tuna fish on that?
Ta-da! It doesn't look...
sloppy way of the Sprague family.
It doesn't look too fancy.
Hello, Lisa.
I like to add another squirt of lemon and probably some pepper and salt on mine. But
that actually kind of looks fancy if you did like a...
See if Ariel can make it fancy for me. Help me, Ariel. Make it beautiful. And then I made my own sauce. This is a special Crab Louie sauce. I can just link the recipe. I didn't come up with this. It's kind of like a Thousand Island, but a little spicy. Because you put some hot sauce and some chili in there. But then it's ketchup, relish, and mayo, and lemon juice, basically. This recipe came out really good because I've had it at restaurants that didn't. Ta-da! The Crab Louie. Okay, you ready?
I would actually liked it if we split it apart, though.
You like it all.
Yeah.
So my daughter likes a salad.
I'll
She
try
likes
a little.
all her food all like spread out. So do you guys know deconstructed? Ariel is a deconstructed
Can I look
person.
at this thing?
Yeah, here we can put it on this plate. Deconstructed.
I'll eat.
Oh, she's gonna try the salad dressing.
Yeah.
Don't put it back. Nah. That's the official vote though. Nah. But Brittany, you should try this. And actually, Brittany, this is like a non-salad salad because lettuce is like the only vegetable in here. So you would also put on cheese and then onion. Oh yeah, I have some cut onion.
Yeah, cheese too.
We're not putting cheese on yours. Here, Ariel, you want some fresh cut onion? Red onion would be great, but I just have white. See, Brittany says she doesn't mix her food either.
We're double twinsy, Brittany.
Oh, you had forgotten? Yeah, Jody, that I actually looked up because I saw that they had crab, and I was like, oh, what was in that Crab Louie? You guys, it's really good because it's a lot like a Cobb salad, except instead of like chicken or something, you do this, and you don't do bacon.
Hello, Jan.
The weird... Jan, yeah.
Jan.
Good job. The weird thing is I don't think bacon would taste good on a Crab Louie, and I didn't know there were many things that bacon wouldn't taste good on.
What? How dare you?
So let's vote. You guys can tell me if you think it would be good on the Crab Louie. So,
We're gonna
anyway,
make bacon.
Ariel's eating up her lettuce. And then I already ate mine, so I'm going to make some for Ryan. But his grandma was the first person who introduced this to me, and she made it, and it was the best.
You're the
I
one
loved
who
it.
introduced to me, and it was
Hi, Hillary. It was the best.
ist.
The est.
Eating
But
5 dozen eggs. I guess on.
okay, guys, thanks for jumping on. I hope you have a great Friday night. I'm off to go play trivia with people in my Made for This women's group. If you're interested or you want to join us to play trivia on Zoom, yeah, you probably will. Let me know. I'll put the Zoom down below. You guys can come join us. This is a group that we do for encouragement and connection and hanging out with people. So, yeah, you guys have a great night, and I hope this was helpful.
Bye.